We create growth that matters for our business, our people, and our planet. We are a leading global supplier of engineering solutions. We create value in our key sectors: pulp and paper, metals, hydropower, environment and energy, and many other industries worldwide. Our digitalization solutions ensure plant efficiency, availability, and intelligent plant control. We design, deliver, and service technologies and processes for the pulp, paper, power, and non-wovens industries. We turn side streams into value. Our solutions cover the entire life cycle, from the initial concept to continuous operation. We engineer and deliver leading technologies and complete solutions for metal strip production and processing, as well as metal forming. Our solutions for silicon steel and battery manufacturing are driving electric mobility forward. We build and modernize hydropower plants. Our solutions for pumped storage plants ensure stable grids and energize a green future. We deliver sustainable solutions for green hydrogen, carbon capture, and renewable fuels. Our innovative technologies ensure clean water and air and support the sustainable production of food and feed. We enable the green transition with technologies that make a difference. We are ANDRITZ, for growth that matters.